beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm doing a whole video around acne scarring, and I actually have never done a video on acne scarring. I recently did a video on how to clear your skin up fast and as well as how to get rid of pimples, so if you haven't seen that, I definitely recommend checking it out because there's amazing hacks and tips and tricks in there. I must say, these are all of my tricks and tips and hacks and DIYs that you can make to help fade or get rid of your acne scarring naturally. But before we jump into it, I thought I would switch it up and bring this back just for the video, and that is if you guys head over right now to my Instagram, follow me, and comment on my latest photo on my Instagram telling me you're coming from this video. I will go spam your accounts. Just make sure you guys are not private, of course. Make sure you guys are following me over on there, and enough talking, let's just jump into what this video is. What is acne scars? So acne scars are the remains after acne or pimples have healed when a breakout happens or inflamed pores occur. It affects the skin, which can result in red spots, hyperpigmentations, deep pits, and even rough patches on your face. And these are a bunch of different types of acne scarring that can occur after acne or pimples on your face. It pretty much sucks to sum it all up. This is just an overview of all the products to use to help fade and remove your acne scarring, so let's just jump into the steps. This first DIY is going to help with your skin health, skin cell repair, and also it's just going to be kind of like a preventative measure. And that is just adding green tea into your skincare routine. So all you have to do is just make some green tea as normal, and you're just going to allow the tea to completely cool. Once it is cooled, you're just going to put it into a little spray bottle, and you're going to use this for your face. So you're going to spritz it all over your face, and once the green tea completely dries, then you can go ahead and wash your face and then pat it dry. Green tea is super high in antioxidants, so it's known to help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, which are the two main causes of acne. So this is also going to help prevent future acne breakouts and future acne scarring. The second step I have for you is to exfoliate regularly. So of course you shouldn't be doing this every single day, but exfoliation is key. Exfoliation is the process of removing the top layer of your dead skin cells. So that's really gonna help fade the appearance of your scarring. I have two simple DIY exfoliations that you can make straight from your home that's super natural and easy on the skin. The first one just being mixing equal parts of either salt or sugar and coconut oil. I like going for salt personally, and all I did was mix it into a bowl until it was like kind of like a paste consistency, and then I just scrubbed it around my face all over, of course, really trying to get the dead skin cells out, and then rinsing it off and following with my normal skincare routine, which is usually following with a moisturizer, which I personally love coconut oil. I did a video pretty much showing my whole skincare routine, so I'll link that down below for you guys. This is a really great exfoliant to use, and it's super cheap, and you can make it right from your house. Now I'm going to move on to the second exfoliant, and this is super gentle on the skin. So if you really do have extremely sensitive skin, I definitely recommend doing this one as instead of the first one. And that is just taking a bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of oats, and just plain oats. And then I just filled a little less than half a cup of water, threw it into the oats, and then took 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I just mixed that all together, and this is just super gentle and kind of soothing for the skin as well, and moisturizing. So if you are someone that has extremely sensitive skin, I recommend going for more this type of exfoliant. It's not as harsh and rough on your skin. And I do the exact same thing where I just rub it all over my skin, of course, and then rinse it off with some warm water, and then follow it with a moisturizer. But like I said, exfoliating is just super key. It's just you're gonna notice a difference over time on your quality of your skin and your scarring, and it's just some simple step that you can add into your skincare routine that's really gonna make a difference. Step 3 is really making sure that your skin is moisturized. And a really great tip to moisturize your skin is to just use cucumbers. So all you have to do is just slice up your cucumbers and use those slices for the skin. So what I did is I just applied them onto the areas that had acne or scarring, and I left them on for about 30 minutes before removing them. Cucumbers are super great because they contain vitamins, magnesium, and there's so many benefits to the skin. Pretty much when you place the cucumber onto the actual acne, it's going to soothe the skin by reducing inflammation. It reduces also the appearance of acne scarring as well. It's just really cooling and calming for your skin. And the last step, which is really gonna help fade your scarring, is to use natural lemon juice. Don't use like lemon juice that you find at stores because that has a lot of extra properties that you don't want. The lemon juice has natural bleaching properties, and it also promotes clear skin. Vitamin C is found in lemon, and it also helps in rebuilding the collagen, and it also helps to remove dead cells. I apply the fresh squeezed lemon juice onto my acne scarring, either with a cotton ball or your fingers, your clean fingers of course. Put it on for about 50 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water, and this is really gonna help fade your scarring over time. Of course, when you apply this to your skin, you have to make sure that you don't really go right into the sunlight because it does make your skin sensitive to sunlight. So just try to avoid it for that time. That is all for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was useful and you guys use it. Thumbs up if you want more skincare related videos, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're part of the fam jam, because I do upload every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And if you click that bell over on my channel, it'll make sure that you're notified when those videos go up, because if you don't, sometimes my videos won't go on your feeds. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!